it. I told you everyone that I'm gonna flip this small account. Look, from $500, it's now sitting on 17,000 US dollar. Of course, you can see it. It's a real account. My name's here as well, Tabel Marumo Lesenya. Yeah, so what I'm using, guys, is Chaotic FX Robot. It's a new Forex robot, which is the only robot that works in 2024. You understand? All the trades are in profits and all the trades are opened by the robot. It's right hand on every single trade. I'm now on 18,000 US dollar. The equity is on 18,600. It's increasing, guys. Classic Forex trader. To use this robot, you need to go to www.chaoticnextlevel.com. You understand? But you can't use this without my permission anyway. That's why you have to talk to me on WhatsApp first, because I only communicate on WhatsApp. Yeah, so let's check how much it is. Let's just say 17,000 USD. Let's see. Based on is 320,000 rents. Yeah, I started with 9,500. I'm now on 300 and something thousand, guys. It's too much, guys. It's too much. Chaotic Forex Robot is even increasing. I hope you see this. Like I said, guys, my number has changed. My WhatsApp number, the old WhatsApp is no longer working. So my new WhatsApp number, let me tell you this. My new WhatsApp number is +2768 532 3768. Classic Forex Trader. That's my new number. Just gonna write it right there. So now you can see, guys, we are going to $19,000. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna close. We are on 19 point some. It was on 19 point something. Look at the equity. I always say it's a real account, the Reef Broker. I'm just gonna, since I'm using the new MetaTrader, I'm just gonna click on this option, bulk trades, and you can see when I click here, I just gonna click close all trades. Look at the magic. That's gonna happen. All the trades are closing. Oh, it's a little bit slow. They closed all of them. Now the new balance is $19,700 by Classic Forex Trader. And I'll always say it's a real account. Yeah, I've done it, guys. $500 to 19,000, let's say 20,000 USD. Simple with our Chaotic Forex Robot, guys. This is the only robot that works.